Today I want to show you how I changed and improved my fairly cheap table saw. One of the biggest problems with table saws, of course, is that they generate an amazing amount of dust. So in order to take care of that problem, I decided to modify my Ryobi saw, and I use corrugated plastic to close all the areas around my base. In addition, any areas, any openings that existed, like here, there is a gap between the saw and the base. I happen to use Gorilla tape because I find it to be very good and hold very well. You can use any type of tape or even duct tape. In fact, the system is working so well that I think I'm going to take this temporary solution. We'll remove the tape and remove the corrugated plastic and replace it with actually plywood to make it a little more permanent. I did not record how I did this process, but I will record the plywood one, so look in the near future to see that. So this is my modified table saw, and it has at the bottom a connection that allows me to connect a standard vacuum. Again, I made sure that there was no air loss there by utilizing Gorilla tape. The reason I put it in the bottom rather than the side, and some people put it on the side, is because that's where most of the dust goes. I also close this area where most saws allow for movement on the 45. Now, this is inconvenient. In the new design, I'm going to think of a different way to do it, because now I have to remove the tape in order to go to a 45-degree angle if I so need to. But in general, I use this cheap saw for straight cuts, so I don't foresee that to be a problem. Now, when you attach the vacuum, this generates so little dust that it is actually amazing. As long as in your saw you close all the holes that you find, then your results are going to be beyond your wildest expectations. As I said, I will be posting soon a new video with exactly how I did this saw. The problem with this kind of projects is that it is very specific to your stand and your saw, as different saws will have different openings. But the key here is to close all openings, and for your material, if you use corrugated plastic like I originally used here, or if you want to use plywood, that you actually completely eliminate any gaps. The more tight this system is, the better the vacuum is going to be able to take sawdust.